Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long while and I'm so grateful to God to be here again to do this video. How is all my fans doing? I know you guys all missed me. I missed you guys too. Well, it has been up and down, but I'm grateful to God I'm alive. I'm a survivor. So today, ladies and gentlemen, on today's video, I'm going to be taking on this method on how to grow your hair. For those of us carrying natural hair, I found this method so awesome. It makes my hair grow like never before. When I started doing this 2 weeks ago, and I'm going to show you my after and before picture of my hair. This method is so awesome, and you only need one ingredient for this. So let's get into the video. So first of all, you will need a bowl like this. So, and I'm going to be pouring in my glove. So this is glove, and it smells so good. The smell is awesome. So now you're going to make sure you boil water. Make sure the water is hot. So you're going to turn it into this. So like I've done mine, this is my hot water, so I'm going to pour it in. Like you can see, it has started changing color already. So you're going to do this and cover it up for 24 hours with the seed in it for 24 hours. So this method I have been using for 2 weeks now, and I have seen the result is awesome. The result is very awesome. So you're going to do this and cover it up for 24 hours. Don't forget 24 hours. Like you can see, the water started changing color. It started changing color. So I'm going to leave this for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we'll see the look. We get the look of it. So after 24 hours, so you need to shift this out. This water is hot, so you take all this out. Then let's wait for 24 hours, guys. Let's wait for 24 hours. So we are back after 24 hours. So this is the outcome. Did you see this? And it smells so wonderful. This is just one ingredient that you need for your hair. And this will make your hair grow like magic. So right now we are going to shift out this. So if you can see this right now. So I'm going to do this. As you can see, I have to remove this. Then I will turn it into a container like this. Make sure you get a container like this and pour it in. Then cover it up. Then make sure it's something that you can spray. Something that you can spray like this. Just little quantity like that. On your hair, on your scalp. And massage truly. You can do this for... So like what I did it for 7 days. Like before I go to bed, I make sure I rub it on my hair or my scalp. Then I plait it. Like you can use a thread to plait it, or you can just cornrow it and sleep with it. Then the next day you do the same thing. Do it for 7 days. You will get massive results just with this. This ingredient is what this glove, you can get it anywhere. You can get it anywhere, and it's not expensive. You can, like, in Nigeria, you can get like 100 naira, 200, 300. You can do a good quantity. It doesn't get spoiled. You can do like maybe 2.5 liter, 1 liter, you know, but make sure that your glove is much if you want to do 1 liter. So you can get glove of about 500 or 600 for 1 liter. So just do it like that. Leave it for 24 hours, like I said. Then it will change to this. Just spray it on your hair. Even though for those that are bar, I am telling you, just try this out. After 7 days, or before that 7 days elapse, you will see results. So this is what I did. Even though my front hair that I had that was pulling off, I used this as well. So my front hair started growing back, you know. So it's a very, very good hair growth. It works magic. So try it. It's good for kids, for adults, for men, for women. It's unisex. So try it and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you in my next video. Bye. You can drop your comments. You can ask any question. I'm ready to answer them all. Thank you. Bye.